Hey guys, so now we'll be doing Leetcode 121, best time to buy and sell stock. You're given an array prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve in this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Now, for example, in example 1, we have prices 715364 where they got a max profit of 5, where they bought on day 2 where price was 1 and they sold on day 5 where price was 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Okay. But if we take a look at example 2, we see that they could not make any transactions at all because the numbers just kept going down. There was no profit to be made. So I'm not too sure what the brute force approach would be. Um, or actually, I'm not sure like what an optimized approach would be. One approach I can think of is we simply loop through the elements. We go through all the elements and we check, hey, can we make the transaction? Will it be profitable? For example, here it's not profitable, so then we want to move like our buy pointer to here, and then we check, hey, can we make the transaction? Okay, we can. So let's calculate the profit, and then we keep going. I think that will be the best way. For example, um, keep a variable to store the max profit. We'll initialize it to 0 because if we can't achieve profit, we simply need to return 0. Now we need to keep track of the day we're buying it on. We'll start at the first day, uh, 0 index, and then we'll need a loop. We'll need to loop through all the elements, and the variable I'll call that is sell day, length of prices, and we actually want to start at the first spot, the first index, I mean, because we have to sell in the future, different day, choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. You cannot buy and sell on the same day. So now we need to check, hey, is the transaction even profitable? So we'll check prices. If price sell day is greater than price buy day, or actually we'll check less than, that'll be simpler. If it's less than, then we need to move our buy day to the sell day. And then regardless of what happens, we can just calculate the max profit. Um, max of max profit prices sell day minus prices buy day. So if it's negative, it won't matter because we'll just keep 0. It'll be higher. And then we'll simply return the max profit. Okay, that's great. And this is O of n time in terms of the time complexity because we process each element only once. That's it. And then I'll submit to make sure it passes all the cases. Okay, great.